Now tell me, which one of the following features is used to track surfaces? A. Path curve. B. Motion tracking. C. AI color palette. And D. Planar tracking. It is time. Well, the correct is D. And you know what else is correct? You're getting a Filmora license without spending a dime. And this is what you're going to do. Just wrap up your top moments of 2024. Create a recap video using Watermark Filmora and then publish it using the hashtags #recap with Filmora. And now you may think, how can I even create a video without even the license? Well, I got you. Use the very first link in the description of this video, and then just by signing up without any money, you are going to get a 3-day free license of Filmora. And that means you are going to use that opportunity to export the video that is going to give you a 30-day free license from Filmora. Now you have to paste the link of the video that you have published on your own social media platform, and then paste that link right on the website, which I have linked the very second link in the description of this video. And by doing that, my dear friend, you have just participated in Filmora's last event of 2024, #recap with Filmora. The event started on the 16th of December and is going to end on the 15th of January 2025. Peace.